Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. If you're tuning in for the first time, this is our dyno room. We dyno all our engines here. This happened to be one of our 383 Chevy Strokers 450 edition. We have a different horsepower models in almost every application that we build here. Somebody like them fast, somebody likes them wild, you know, and they like them mellow also. This has to be the 450, made about 459, 531 foot-pounds of torque, phenomenal. This is a carbureted version. We do them fuel injected also. This happens to be a Corvette. It has a different style intake on here, and it has a tack drive distributor. Again, custom build means that we custom build them for the car. So when we're done, it will fit properly in that car. It's already been run, broke in. There's no water leaks, there's no oil leaks. The thing runs phenomenal. We tune them on our dyno, so we make sure our air-fuel ratios have been set properly, and this motor leaves here perfect. If you're interested in any one of our builds, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Okay, Ron, I got your 1971 Chevy Corvette engine here. Let's see what this baby got.